Hi, I'm Trevor, Stainless Diesel. Today I want to introduce you to one of our new flanges to our lineup. This will be for your 03 to 18 Dodge. It is the replacement flange for on your downpipe. So whether you have a factory or an aftermarket downpipe on the truck, this will replace the stamped steel flange that commonly likes to break out. This is one high mileage truck here that over time has obviously wore through and broke down. So ours is a CNC Billet flange, so it is much stronger. A lot of times there's exhaust systems that either the rubber's broke on the hangers or they are not installed properly, and all of the weight from the front of the exhaust system is hanging on this flange itself. So we know these parts are hard to find right now, and obviously we wanted to make a much stronger product for it. You essentially just cut off the flange that is broken, and this would be like the front part of the downpipe. And our flange will slip on it and weld. So it's a pretty simple fix, and a much stronger piece. Obviously a lot thicker in the bottom portion of it where it welds to the pipe, and then being a CNC billet piece, it's much stronger. It can hold the weight of it and last a lot longer time with that. All right, you can find this product on our website. There'll be a link above. It'll be our 03 to 18 Ram downpipe replacement flange.